Hi guys, here we are going to discuss about class A power amplifier and a related question. Understand the concept. What is the minimum power rating required for a transistor used in a class A amplifier? If the amplifier delivers 50 watts to an ideal transformer coupled load. Here the given options are 25 watts, 50 watts, 75 watts, 100 watts. Here we are going to discuss what is class A power amplifier. A class A power amplifier is a type of amplifier in which the output device, usually a transistor, conducts for the entire 360 degrees of the input signal cycle. Key points in class A power amplifier. Always on. The transistor never fully turns off. Linearity, excellent signal fidelity, low distortion, low efficiency. Maximum efficiency is 25 to 30% for resistive load and up to 50% for transformer coupled load. Heat dissipation. Even when no signal is present, the transistor still dissipates power, so it gets hot. Used in high quality audio amplifiers, lab instruments, analog circuits. Now we are going to discuss how does a transformer coupled load help. Transformer coupled load means a transformer is used between the amplifier's output and the actual load, like a speaker. Why use a transformer? Impedance matching. It helps in matching the high impedance of the transistor circuit to the low impedance of the load, like speakers, maximizing the power transfer. DC isolation. It blocks DC, allowing only AC signals to pass to the load. Efficiency boost. It allows Class A amplifiers to reach up to 50% efficiency compared to the 25-30% with resistive loads. Now we are going to discuss why should the transistor handle twice the output power. In a transformer coupled class A power amplifier, the maximum efficiency is 50%, which means output gets only 50% of input power, while remaining 50% of input power is dissipated as heat at a transistor. And when there is no output signal is to get the whole 100% of input power should be dissipated as heat at a transistor. Here note that 100% of input power dissipation is double to the output power, which is 50% of input power. Hence, transistor in a class A power amplifier should handle twice the output power. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.